Today we'll discuss personal branding as a form of marketing and promotion. In order to grow a business, you have to have strong customer relationships. It's your marketing, your promotion plan that will provide the roadmap to your customers. So what is branding? Think of marketing as anything an organization does to build a relationship between the company and the customer. Branding is really a part of that marketing strategy. And you're trying to create brand awareness that involves the ability to recall and recognize a brand. Customers uh, know what their needs are going to be met based on the brand that they use. In order for customers to buy, they have to be aware of the brand as well. So brands are the things that are the unique features that distinguish it from other brands. It's the broad image of the product, the service, or the person that it represents. So if you can, the keywords here are distinguishing and the images that are associated with a particular product, person, or brand. The logo and the brand are distinctive identities that promote the recognition. It's the logo that's the recognized symbol, and the brands are the distinguishing features as well. Logo quiz is the game here that allow you to see how many brands that you can identify just based on what the logo is. It's a very popular game, and it supports the importance of having a recognizable brand. So go ahead and play that game. Come back later and play the game. Okay. Individual brands and a cluster of brands for the same company are not uncommon. Each individual brand has its own identity, so it has its marketing, its own image, its names, that makes it really distinct from other similar products in the same category. So in the fitness industry, this might happen if you're looking for a particular club and there's more than one trainer there. Okay, what's really important is what you're going to do to distinguish yourself from the other people so that you'll be able to do well in your business. Okay. So what's personal branding? It's defining yourself professionally. It's the consistent message about your professional value and anything that makes you distinctive. This is the thing that's going to put you in a competitive advantage in the marketplace. A lot of personal branding is taking place via blogs and social media. So according to Wikipedia, the practice of people marketing themselves as career brands um, really is what personal branding is, and success comes from self-packaging. So personal branding offers promise of increased success in the business world. So what are you going to do to build your brand? The first step in personal brand building process is to spend time to figure out who you really are, what your skills are, your values, and your passion. Okay? The next step is how are you going to identify the people that you want to buy your product? Visualize yourself actually working with that particular population. And then step 3, what's going to make you different from the competition? Once you've sorted those things out, you're going to make a statement, okay? And we call this a position statement. It's a business tool that identifies how a brand is positioned in the market. Who do you want to serve? What benefits will you bring to the customer? What makes you stand out? What promise or core benefit will you provide? It really puts into words what differentiates you from everybody else. So Stefano Principato came up with a personal branding formula in which you consider you, your values, what your interest and your passion and your strengths are, and what options you have for promoting your actual brand, whether it's a newsletter, photos, anything that you're kind of maybe doing online or trade shows that you're going to. And you're taking your personal brand online using a variety of online activities, whether it's LinkedIn or YouTube, Twitter, you name it, that's where the strategy goes. So it's taking all of your activities, putting them online, and then using Google as a centralizing source so that all of your social media is funneled through one particular area. So your personal branding strategy is really made up of you, what you represent, and the strategies that you're actually going to use to get clients. I really like these two examples of branding videos. They're very, very succinct in terms of what they're doing, but they do answer the questions that were asked in the PowerPoint. So take your time and have a look at the videos and see how they compare and pick out the things that you like and see if you can answer the questions. Okay, so here's the reference sheet. It's pretty straightforward, and if you please refer to your assignment sheet, additional resources are available there. Thank you.